And we made it to day 10 of this core series. And we're gonna do something fun that we used to do in gymnastics, which we like to call uppers and downers. And this is gonna be using a lot of the stuff that we've learned throughout this entire situation, what do you wanna call this, entire series, and really putting it all together and making sure that you're working your core properly. Remember, all this stuff is not about going really fast, it's about really taking your time and being in control. So I'm gonna go through the core series that we're doing today. So we've got 6 different movements, and we're gonna do just like we did earlier on in the week, where we did 1 to 8, right? So you're gonna start with 1 of every move, then you're gonna do 2 of every move, 3 all the way to 8, and you're gonna time how long this takes you. So first movement we've got is a piked sit-up. So you're gonna lay back, arms over your head, and you're not gonna hit your couch, hopefully. You're gonna sit all the way up, and when you go down, I want you to think about really making sure you're taking your time and going really slow and controlled on the way down. So 1. Then you're gonna do your leg lowers. So up and all the way down. Remember, merely pushing that low back to the ground and making sure you're not having that little arch or cave in your back. Come up, you're gonna go into your hollow rock. Extend all the way out, rock once, okay? Then you're gonna roll onto your belly. You're gonna lift up to the top. You're gonna lift the bottom, and then you're gonna lift both. Roll back. 2 pike sit-ups, nice and slow. 2 leg lowers, 2 hollow rocks. Turn it around. 2 lifts on one side, 2 lifts on the other side, 2 lifts together. Again, you're gonna go all the way up to 8. What I really like about this, and what I really am trying to get out here with this, is like everything that you do in training, you need to make sure that you even everything out. So for example, if you're working on your back, you need to make sure you're also working on your chest so your shoulders don't round forward. Same thing goes for here, right? And it's kind of hard to work our back in this, you know, it's kind of hard to work like the whole rest of the extension of the back. Like, it's pretty easy to get to the lats and stuff like that when you're doing back movements. So that's why these Supermans and stuff like that is gonna be really great in order to even everything out that we've been doing with the core. So try it out, have some fun. Don't forget, sign up for my 30-day core revolution. I wanna see you there. I want you to come into classes. You have lifetime access to that program, and it is going to be a game changer for you. And don't forget to post at Angela_Gargano and at strongfeelsgood_ for a chance to win a Strong Feels Good hoodie.